In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to back camera in Google Meet. If you're in a meeting and want to show what's in front of you rather than your face, you can switch to the back camera directly from the meeting controls. Start inside your active Google Meet, look along the toolbar for the More Options button, which appears as three vertical dots. It's usually near the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. This is where Google Meet keeps the extra controls you don't need all the time, including the camera settings we want. Tap or click those three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This brings up a panel where you can adjust audio and video preferences without leaving the meeting. You should see a video section in this panel. Select Video and then look for the camera option. This is a drop-down or selector that lists all available cameras connected to your device. From here, pick the back camera. On phones and tablets, it may be labeled back, rear, or similar. On laptops or desktops connected to a mobile device or multiple webcams, you may see model names. Choose the one that corresponds to the rear camera or the external camera you want to use. As soon as you select it, your preview should update instantly to show the back view so you can confirm the framing and focus before continuing. If you don't see a back camera listed, make sure your device actually has one available to Meet and that your browser or app has permission to use the camera. On mobile, updating the Meet app can help surface the correct labels. On desktop, if a device is connected via USB or a capture card, ensure it's plugged in and recognized by the system before opening Meet. Once the back camera is showing in the preview, simply close the settings panel to return to the meeting. Your participants will now see the back camera feed. If you need to switch back to the front camera later, repeat the same steps and choose the front option in the camera menu. A couple of quick tips for a better result: wipe the rear lens to remove smudges, lock exposure by tapping on your subject on mobile if your device supports it, and stabilize your device for a steadier shot. That's all there is to it. Using the More Options menu, opening Settings, going to Video, and selecting the camera lets you switch to the back camera quickly and confidently during any Google Meet.